All right, we are now here with a new update on the stock screener. The last time we bought Neo Performance Materials, which is this stock here. It has been going down and back up. So we are still at zero now. No loss, no gain. So we're going to sell it um, because I don't see that the trade war is escalating. So I don't think that the Chinese will stop selling rare earths, and the rare earths prices aren't going up. So I think it's time to sell it. So let's sell Neo Performance Materials. We have 100 shares. We are going to sell 100 shares at this price. Okay, so the position is now closed, and we still have $1,700 in the portfolio, and we started with 1,000, so that's a 70% gain. You can see here it's at 1,800 with the dividends included. So now we are going to the next investment opportunity, and I have been talking a lot about Russia, and I would recommend to buy the largest bank there, which is Sberbank. And why would I do that? Because I think Russia is in a great shape today to invest in. And we also know that we have a lot of QE, so we need to buy some stocks, some bank stocks. So let's go through all the macroeconomic data of Russia. So we have a current account surplus. It's always been in the plus side here, except here somewhere in 2017. When the oil price went down in 2015, we had some problems, but it has now risen back up. Balance of trade also had a drop with the oil price, but has since gone back up and is still in positive territory. So that's also a good sign. This is very important. The 10-year bond yield is at 6.4%, which is very high, much higher than the United States, which is at 2%, and Germany at negative interest rates. So you will get a good return here, also positive growth with 6.4% on a 10-year yield. Inflation rate, on the other hand, is actually 4%. So this is even lower than the 6% bond yield. So you have actually positive real interest rates. And that's good. That means this is a very strong economy, which can even have real interest rates that are positive. The ruble has crashed with the oil price here, but is now very stable. So that's a good sign. I also think that oil prices will be stable. They won't let it go down. So that's probably going to stay here. GDP growth has also gone down here due to the oil price, but is now stable above 0%. The unemployment rate is dropping, also very good for the economy, at 4% now. Very nice are the foreign exchange reserves. They are rising very rapidly, even so. That means that's a good sign for the ruble. The ruble will be strong going forward. You can see here that it dropped a bit due to the oil price decline here, but now it's booming again. Now, gold reserves are rising, so Russia has been buying a lot of gold reserves, and that would be very good in times of need to have all that gold. Government debt is very low, only 14% apparently. That's very low. not like the 100% of United States. Also, household debt is very low, which is probably 70% in the US and 50% in China. So this is only 17% here in Russia. Very good. The government has a budget surplus, unlike the US, which has a massive budget deficit. The leading economic index, well, it dropped here, but now it's very stable. So it's a good environment to invest in Russia. And last but not least is the PE ratio, which is only at 6. So you have a lot of growth here with a lot of earnings, and the prices are low compared to the other countries. Okay, so we are going to buy Sberbank. You can see here you get 7% dividend yields here. The stock is priced at book value. I've seen that it was 1.2. Yeah, this is not correct. That was only half of market cap, so that is a good buy here. Earnings are going up, revenues are up, so this is a good buy. We will do that now. Sberbank 15 at the moment, so we can buy 100 shares, for example. Let's add the symbol. Sbrcy, and we're buying 100 shares. Let's see. Okay, 100 shares. So this is the amount we bought, and this is the amount of cash left. We have $200 cash left, and we have 1,500 value of Sberbank at the moment. Okay, let's see if this will go up. You can see also here that the long-term chart is up, so there's a lot of chance probability that this will continue up into next year. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.